Hello friends, today's video is all about monoprinting. So you must have seen artists making monoprints with jelly plate, sometimes with wax paper, plastic bags, plexiglass, and some other surfaces also. So some of us think what the artists do with those prints. We use them as making collage, use it for our background, and use it in the layers of our paintings. So I'm going to show you some work which I already prepared on this jelly plate, and also going to show you some of the possibilities working with them in the final results of that complete painting, which I'm going to use. You see the jelly plate already sitting here, and papers to pull out the prints, and a roller, and black paint, and also retarder. Yeah, this gives us time to keep the painting wet, and gives us more time to finish the work. And I will be using some of the tools I found from here or there. Like this is one of my combs, and another tool, some toys kind of stuff, this, and a couple of stencils, and one more stencil which I like so much. Yes, I'm going to take this black paint a little bit here, not too much, not too less, just I think this is enough. Okay, a little bit of retarder. Yes, here, and let's start. Don't make it so thick and don't make it so thin to get better results. Okay, here you go. So this is how I made this print on a jelly plate. Yep. Here you go. Here you go. So what we should do with these, and this is the one. Yes, yeah, I made it earlier. So I just made one stencil. In the magazine I saw a face, and then I made this stencil. So then I thought, why not try it on these papers and see what happens, how it looks like. Okay. Let's try with the, and put this one on the top and draw a line. So this will be our positive area and rest will be like negative. We can make a background behind that, right? Stencil, not necessarily you are making a face, it's just an example. So I'll be showing you some of my work done with different stencils. So look at that, how beautiful it looks. I think this one was done with one of the small homes or something like that. Okay, let's see this one. Try with this one now. And here you go. Wow. And then we can try with this one too. Some different styles, different backgrounds, color schemes, push here or there, try this way, that way, and let's try with this. Yeah, you go, how colorful. Look at the strokes and look at the color combination. I really like it. One of the prints like that. There you go. And also long back, and look at that, look at that. So this is how we will be just going for the second step. And of course you can add up some embossing and some tissue paper, and it can sit on top of that this way. So this was a stencil, this was the background. Of course some of the areas were being done with that spraying and using some kind of laces, and so this is actually, this background is a little bit different than the monoprints, but you can have some idea that what we can do with the that stencil. So I'm going to show you another pieces which is in process, and this area is done with the, I think, plastic bag maybe. So after that I took some of the pieces from my monoprints and I use attach collage here, and you see this part, and I'm trying to find out if I can create a beautiful figure here. Monoprint with the wax paper. So I'm going to show you this part first. This part. So you see, I mean, the texture and design is beautiful. And then I thought what I can do with that. Then I took one of the prints, I think from this one is I don't know from where I got this one, and also this face. But when I saw this part, I thought that why not put a face here and a flower here, and I can show this as a beautiful stole she is wearing, and black and white. It looks very pretty. So this one was being done controlling by the stencil and giving this texture with the comb, and I scratched with something like with a card or something from the background this way. So this is how I created some of the parts with the paints and some of the pieces are like monoprinting, and of course I'll be working on this more. That's it. I hope you like it.